Hello, this is Coach Rachel coming to you live from KB Educational Consulting. I want to share with you our big news. We are launching our special education specialist certification workshop scheduled for October 23rd, 2025. You do not want to miss this amazing opportunity to prepare and pass your certification exam on the first attempt. We have been in training with TEA to make sure we have the most up to date information to help you succeed on this exam. Tickets go on sale tomorrow. And so you want to make sure you reserve your spot. Seating is limited to 40 seats. First come, first serve. I promise you, this event will be worth your time and your money. We will be sending out flyers. If you have more information, please feel free to email me at kabeducationalconsulting.com. I look forward to seeing you in attendance.